So hello guys, welcome back to my channel MD Learnings. So I wish you a very happy new year 2023 and after so many days this is my first video of this new year. Okay, so today in this video I will show you a basic feature of Excel which every time you are using whenever you're using Excel. So that is called sorting. So let's start for the day. So as you can see the screen, here I have some data with me, okay, and I will show you how to use sorting. So sorting is like you have some of the data with you and you want according to the data to be sorted according to the particular column. So for that you can use sort feature in Excel. So for that, what we have to do, first we have to go to your data tab. You can see here sort and filter one option is there. Okay, so you can see the data I have in this product name, city, and sales of, okay, sales of the products in the particular city. So what I want in this, okay, I want to sort this product in the ascending order, okay, or descending order. So ascending order, as you know what is ascending order. uh, if it is text, we will go from A to Z, and if it is numeric, we will go from 1 to 100, starting from the 1 and so on. So that is called ascending. And similarly, descending is like Z to A, and in numeric, it will be starting from the back side. Okay, like if we have a set of number of 100 numbers, so it will start from 100, 99, 98, and that is called descending order. So first, you can see here I have in sort, I have the option of A to Z and Z to A. So I will show you how to use this first. First, you have to select this table. Okay, select this, and you can go click on A to Z. See, this sort option, you can go to the data tab and you can use it from there. Otherwise, in the home tab also, you have in the right side, go to your home tab. In the right side, you have editing tab in which you have the different option of sum and fill and erase, and in that in the center you are having sort and filter. So from here also you can use it immediately. So what I will do, I will go to my data tab, I will go to sorting. Okay, in sort and filter I will select A to Z. Okay, so I will select this and I will select one column, okay, which is product column, and I will click on A to Z. So once you click, one pop-up window will come, and in that it will show a warning, not a red warning. It will give you a notification that Microsoft Excel found data next to your selection. So means after this, what we have selected, the column which you have selected, after this, next to this column, some more data are there. Since you have not selected this data, it will not be sorted. It means I have selected only B column. Okay, so if I will sort it, it will sort only the B column, and the data beside the B column, which is C and D, will not be sorted. Means this B column will be sorted in the ascending order or descending order, but the other two columns, which is city and sales, will not be sorted. Means if the any name like C card reader is there, it will come in the first, but the row which is beside the card reader, which is Bangalore and 85, it will not get sorted. Okay, so what I want to expand my selection so that in front of card reader Bangalore and what is the sale, that also will sorted along with the card reader and other products. So I will expand my selection and click on sort. So now you can see, once I clicked on it, beside card reader I have city also, which was before same, and sales also, it is the same sale what was mentioned in before sorting. So this is A to Z sorting, means from ascending, starting from A, B, C, and similarly we are going to use descending for the same. So again, I will select this column, and here you can see Z to A, sort Z to A, highest to lowest. So in case of text, highest to lowest is Z to A, and in case of numeric, it will be highest to lowest from the biggest number to the lowest number. Okay, so just select your column, click on Z to A, and again the same pop-up, data found next to your selection. So I will expand my selection. So what if I will not expand my selection? So click on continue with current selection. So now you can see in front of card data Bangalore is there. Okay, so once I will click on sort, you can see the C column not changed, only the B column changed. So data got misplaced somewhere. Okay, so I have to undo this and I have to select expand my selection. So click Ctrl Z, select your column, go to your sort and click Z2A. Expand the selection. So yeah, I want to expand because I don't want my data to be lost for other products. Okay, it will get mixed. So once I click Z2A, you can see R is the RAM is in the first position, second is power supply, and so on. This is in the descending order, descending alphabetic order. Okay, this was the simple feature of sort, which is A to Z and Z to A. Okay, lowest to highest and highest to lowest is the first feature, which generally we are using in Excel. And one more option, it is sort. Okay, so I will show you when we are going to use this sort. So once I will select my data. Okay, select this table and click on sort. What will happen now? You can see here we have so many options. Okay, so sort by product. Okay, so that generally we are doing in from A to Z and Z to A also. You can select the column and you can click on sort, and you can it will be sorted. So product, city and sales. Okay, so here what is this add level? The first thing is add level. So what will happen? So what add level will do? So as per my first criteria, which is product, I have selected product. It will sort it in the Z to A, whatever order I will decide, A to Z or Z to A. It will sort it first, and after that it will sort in another. It will sort as per the other column. Like if I will select city, so what will happen? Product will sort A to Z, and after that it will go sorting to the second column, which is city, what I have selected in my second level. So you can see the example. Now you can see if I have already sorted in Z to A. Okay, I will select it Z to A. Z to A is already sorted. Okay, the product column is already sorted in the order of Z to A. So I will select my another level. I will add one more level, which is city. So I want, after product is sorted in the descending order, I want my city to be sorted in ascending order. So just select one more level and click OK. Okay, so here you can just see city is also sorted in A to Z. So I will do one thing. I will just select it A to Z. Okay, Z to A, and click OK. So here you can see this is already sorted. This table is already sorted. Okay, so one more example. Just Control Z, and bring it to the first level. Okay, now click on this. Click on this table. Select this table. Go to your sort option, and select first level is product. Okay, product will be sorted in A to Z, and add one more level. And select second is sales. Okay, now click on OK, and this, see, when I am selecting the value, it will show the order smallest to largest. In case of text, which is product is text, so it will show the order A to Z, and when I am selecting the value, numeric value, it will show the order smallest to largest. So I have selected smallest to largest, and I will click OK. So now you can see, before what was the thing? Before it was here the value was different, and first what is sorted, the product column is sorted. It went to in ascending order starting from C, and when after product is sorted, the product column is sorted, the same sales column is also sorted in smallest to largest to smallest. Okay, so this was how we are using the add level function of sort. One more thing I will show you. Just select your table, okay, and do undo this. Okay, I have done. Now select your table, and you can see one option here in the right side. My data has header. So once I selected this, Excel will consider key I have data in my header. I have header also in my table. And if you will not select it, you can see Excel has expanded its selection to the first row. And if I will select this, Excel will consider key first row is my header. So what if I will not select this? So I will uncheck this and I will click OK. So you can see the first row also it is sorted. So this I don't want. I have header in my data. So I will just, what I will do, I will every time make sure if you have header in your data, you have to check this and you have to select this, and then you only go for the sorting. One more thing, one more option. Here you can see I have keyboard. Okay, so what I will do, I will add one more row. Okay, I will add one more row and I will make it uppercase, and I will give city same. Okay, and I will give some sales. So now what the option is, so once you select this, okay, I will give one I will give the serial number here, and yeah, done. Now I will select my table, I will go to sort, and I will select the product. Okay, I want to sort my product in ascending order, and here in the option you have one options. So what is the sort options? So in this you have one option of case sensitive. If it will sort, okay, if you check this, okay, so in this what will happen, it will go case sensitive wise. It will it will sort the table in ascending order, but it will also consider case sensitive also. Okay, because here I have keyboard in lower case and keyboard in uppercase also. So what will happen once I click this, so click OK and go for it. So now you can see the lower case is in the upper row and the uppercase in the lower row. So if you will select that option, if you will check the case sensitive option, Excel will consider case also. Okay, whether it is lower case and upper case. Lower case will be in ascending order, it will be in the left side, and upper case will be considered as the largest one. So you can select that also. One last option, okay, one more last option is there. Okay, just select your table, click on sort, and first undo this, Control Z, and select your table and go to your sort option. Here you can see one more option is there. I will select first sort by product. Okay, and click on options. What I will do, like I will write here D, okay, B, A, C. This is my like I have mentioned this in row, so I will little expand this. I will increase the font of this. Okay, now it is visible, I guess. So here you can see sorting we have done till now. We have done the sorting in the columns. Okay, I have done the sorting in my columns. If you want to sort in the rows also, you can do it. Just you have to select this, go to your data, or in the home tab also you can get the option of sorting. Click on sorting, go to your custom sort, and you can see I want to sort as per the option sort left to right. Okay, here in options you have the option of sort left to right. Click OK and click OK. No, sorry, I have not. Yeah, So you have to select the row. Now when you have selected left to right, you will get the option of row 4 because your data you have selected is in row 4. So you have to select row 4. You have to sort the fourth row, select row 4 and what order you want, whether it is ascending, whether it is descending. So I will select it ascending, click OK. Now you can see the data is sorted. It is in ascending order now. So these were the basic of sortings. Okay, so using this sort, you can sort your data as per your requirement, and this is how we are using the sort function in MS Excel. And I hope you guys learn this, and if you really like this, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. You will get the notification if you hit it. Okay, each and every video whenever I am uploading, you will get the notification. So just keep learning. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching this. Bye bye.